Okay, welcome to this little introductory video to a project I started last year, and it's named Road to the Rhine. Now, this project was put to one side for the simple reason was I didn't have the materials that I felt were correct for actually building my bridge. So what I should do, I'll run through this little diorama with you. We'll start off at this end. We have it's in three sections. This is the first section. This is just part of the road. We have a centre section, which is the actual bridge itself, and as you can see, I've already constructed some of the arches, but then I just wasn't really happy with them, and that's the reason why I stopped. So that's the middle section. And the final section is just another part of the road. Now, the total length of this, if the camera's going to focus in, is 2 meters 320 in total length. They're done in sections for the simple reason is this is the largest section that I can actually get onto my bench to actually work on. The construction of it, now it's constructed with Celotex insulation board, and I think if I carefully move that out of the way, I use 50mm Celotex insulation board, then actually glued pieces on top of the 50mm to make the different heights. The actual covering, it's covered in standard decorators filler and PVA, which as you can hear makes it very strong, and also it keeps the weight down and makes it nice and light, as this has got to go onto one shelf. Now the whole reason of this is because I've now got moulds that I can actually cast what bricks I require to actually build these arches and get things back on the road again, should I say. So in the next 4 to 5 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, I shall actually be starting on building these arches for the actual bridge. The way it's going to be set out is destroyed bridge, and then right the way across the top of the destroyed bridge is going to be a Bailey bridge, which I've already built a Bailey bridge and a small bridge that was destroyed, and this was sort of like the bit to inspire me to build something bigger. Now this is going to be taking all my British armour, which I do have a soft spot for British armour and support vehicles. So there'll be quite a few on this diorama when it's finished. There is another 3 in planning, should I say. There is one actually, a road from the beachhead that will actually join up with this one, and then there will be a road to Moscow and a road to Berlin, but that's all in the future. I shall put you on pause for a second and I shall show you the first bridge that I built that inspired me to get this one built. Okay, this is the first bridge I built that sort of inspired me to actually build the road to the Rhine, and as you can see it's quite small. It's got a very small Bailey bridge on, if we can get down there, with different water effects, which I was very pleased with. It came out extremely well, but it only would hold, as you can see, just a couple of vehicles, and I was looking for something slightly bigger and slightly larger. So I decided to do the road to the Rhine. I haven't seen this one for a long time actually. It's been put up on the side because my sister-in-law has put her mark on it. She said she would like this one. I've just got to finish the figures that go on it. So that's what inspired me to build this one. And this one is, like I say, it's going to start in the next few weeks. I'm going to start work and start putting this up, or putting updates on. They'll probably be on a monthly base. So that's my introductory video to my Road to the Rhine, and I'd just like to say thank you, and hopefully we'll see you on the updates.